Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. Firstly, I will show you how to customize it, and then I will show you much faster access to this feature. So let's reach the settings, because we will begin with the customization, as I said, and here we have to tap on the display. On the second position we've got the night light, so simply tap on it, and now in order to customize it we have to turn it on now, so simply tap on this big button, and as you can see the screen turns amber, yellowish, and it is in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to read something if the light conditions around you aren't the best, for example in dim light. So you can change the intensity of that feature just using this switcher. By going to the left you can make it much cooler, and to the right much warmer. Of course you can set it just like you want, which option is the most comfortable for you. What's more, you can schedule that feature just up here, and you can turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So let me for example pick the custom time, and here we can freely choose the start time, and let me pick for example this one. Tap on OK, and the end time at this time. And as you can see, it is immediately applied, and the screen is amber because we are just in the middle between the start time and end time. But let me turn off the schedule option. So actually this is the whole customization of the night light, and now I will show you the faster access to this feature. All you have to do is simply unroll the top bar, and as you can see it automatically shows you the night light icon, which just appeared right here. If for some reason you cannot find it, no worries, just tap on this pencil icon here and find it somewhere here, tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first panel. But if you don't have to do it, that's good. So all you have to do in order to turn it off, because right now it is turned on, just tap on the icon right here, and as you can see the screen turns back to its normal state. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the night light in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.